Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers prorated cancellations? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain what happens when you cancel your subscription mid-billing cycle. If you're thinking about canceling but don't want to lose money, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not offer prorated refunds if you cancel your subscription before the end of your billing cycle. When you sign up for YouTube TV, you're charged for the full month up front, and canceling midway through the cycle won't refund the remaining days. However, you can still enjoy the service until the end of your paid billing period. Your access will remain active until the subscription officially ends. That said, YouTube TV's no-contract policy makes it easy to cancel any time without penalties or fees. Just be mindful of when you cancel. If you do it after your renewal date, you'll be charged for the next month. To avoid unexpected charges, keep an eye on your billing cycle and cancel before the renewal date if you're sure you no longer want the service. If this video helped you understand YouTube TV's cancellation policy, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.